This is M. Harita, third year CSC B section, Adi Shankara Institution of Technology. Register number is 578. DWDM Tech Talk video. Cluster analysis. Cluster is a group of objects that belongs to the same class. In other words, similar objects are grouped in one cluster and dissimilar objects are grouped in another cluster. Definition. Cluster is the process of making a group of objects into classes of similar object. A cluster of data objects can be created as one group. While doing cluster analysis, we first partition the set of data into groups based on data similarity and then assign the labels to the group. The main advantage of cluster over classification is that it is adapted to changes and helps single out useful features that designation different groups. Application of cluster analysis. Clustering analysis is broadly used in many applications such as market research, pattern recognition, data analysis, and imaging process. Cluster can also help markets discover distinct groups in their cluster base, and they can characterize their customer groups based on the purchasing pattern. In the field of biological, it can be used to devise plant and animal diagnose categories, genres with similar functionalities and gain insight into structure inheritance to population. Cluster also helps in identification of areas of similar lands used in an Earth observation database. It also helps in the identification of groups of houses in a cluster according to house types, values, and geographical location. Clustering also helps in classification documents on the web for information discovery. Clustering is also used in outlier decision applications such as decision of credit card fraud. As a data mining function, cluster analysis services as tools to gain insight into the distribution of data to observe characteristics of each cluster. A category of mass cluster methods. Participating algorithm. Construct various participation and then evaluate them some creations. Hierarchical algorithms. Create a hierarchical decomposition of the set of data using some creations. Density based on connecting and density functions. Grid based on a multiple level granularity structure. Model based. A model is hierarchical for each of the cluster, and the idea is to finding the best fit of that model to each other. Participation method. Suppose we are given a database of n objects and the participation method clustering k participation of data. Each participation will represent a cluster and k. It means that it will classify the data into k groups, which classify the groups requires. Each group contains at least one object. Each object must belong to exist only group. For a given number of partitions, the participants method will create an initial participant, then it uses the edited relocation technology to improve the participation by moving object from one group to others. Hierarchical method. This method creates a hierarchical decomposition of the given set of data objects. We can classify hierarchical method on the basis of how the hierarchical decomposition is followed. There are two approaches. There are aggregative approach, device approach, aggregation approach. This approach is also known as the bottom-up approach. In this, we start with each object for forming a separate group. It keeps on match the object or group that are close to one another. It keeps one doing to one so until all the groups of method into one or until the termination condition holds. Device approach. This approach is also known as the top-down approach. In this, we start with all the objects in the sum cluster in the continuous iteration. A cluster is a simplest up into smaller cluster. It is down until each object in one cluster or the termination condition holds. This method is rigged once a merge or splitting is done. It can be never be undone. Density based. This method is based on the location of density. The basic idea is to connect to growing the given cluster as long as the density in the neighborhood executes some thresholds for each data point within a group given within a given cluster. The radius of a given cluster as contains at least a minimum number of points grid based method. In this, the objects together from a grid. The objects spaced in quadrant into finite number of cells that from a gated structure. Advantages. The major advantages of the method is first, processing time. It is depending only on the number of cells in the each dimension in the quadrate space. Model based method. In this method, a model is hierarchical for each cluster to find the best fit of data for a given model. This method collocates the cluster by clustering the density function. It reflects a distribution of the data points. This method also having a way to automatically determine the number of clusters based on the standard statistics, taking outer line or noise into account.